Hi everyone! So Your Creative Studio sent me another one of their kits. I love their kits. They are gorgeous. They're so pretty. This is their flower kit. So I'm really excited to see what's all in here. So at the top it says Your Creative Studio. They always send these beautiful cards. Definitely save this because you could use this for your crafting. They are just beautiful. Look at this in the back right here. Isn't that just beautiful? I love their cards. And then they always package their boxes, their kits, in this beautiful tissue paper right here. Save this also. You can use this for your crafting or color it in and then use it for your crafting. Super pretty. And I always try to save the sticker. Let me open this. Okay, there we go. So I always carefully pull it away. I try not to ruin any of the images. Like I said, I try to use as much as possible. Oh my gosh, this is going to be such a pretty kit. Let me just take things out one at a time so we can look at everything. So here we have, I don't know, is this like little, these possibly like stamp stickers? Because it says post box on there. So I'm really curious to see what these are. Oh, cute. It says open at the top. That's really cute. Oh, we have a little book. Oh my god, these are beautiful. Oh, these are so pretty. They are large stamps. So it looks like there might be 50 pieces in here. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Oh, I love stamps, and I love that these are large. These easily have to be like 2x2 square stamps. Oh, these are really pretty. Oh, look at that strawberry right there. Oh, these are beautiful. Really nice. Oh, look, more strawberries right there. Really pretty. Okay, let's get the next item out. Okay, so our next item here are some clear flower stickers. And then we have, looks like ephemera pieces. Let's see. Oh, pretty. It comes in this little envelope right here. It's like a little vellum envelope. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. And it's printed on there. Oh, see, these are giant ephemera pieces, little stickers. Oh, that's really pretty. Oh my gosh, I love these. These are gorgeous. Very vintage, very shabby chic vibes. Oh, look, it's like a little scroll. I love these. Oh, these are so pretty. Super beautiful. Let's see. Our next one says washi on here. So again, with these, I save the little envelopes that they come in because I just think they're gorgeous. I even save these, the stickers. So they're pretty easy to peel back. If you just slowly work it back and just roll it back, they will roll off. So that way you don't have to tear them and then you can reuse them. So that's what I do. I usually try to save, you know, this portion of the sticker right here and then add a little bit of ink on there just to, you know, shabby it up a little bit. See, and then you have a nice pocket envelope. Their envelopes are really nice. So here we have our floral washi. Really pretty. Look at that. That's gorgeous. And it matches our little card right here. That's why I say save this card. Everything matches beautifully in their kits. I love their kits. They are so well put together. Everything just flows so beautifully. This one says a stamp. And it is our stamp right here. So you have your little image right there. And then here is our stamp. So it's just a little rubber cling stamp. So we have like a floral here. Oh, there's a lot of florals in here. A couple little leaves. Very pretty. And there is the close-up of what that stamp looks like. And we have another stamp. Ooh, this one looks like it has some writing in the background to it. Oh. Drop some. So we have this little floral here. Then we have an even smaller one that matches. All of these florals match. And then here's that really pretty one with a little cursive in the background. These are really pretty. Really, really nice stamps. And there's still more in here. So we have another one here that we need to open up. And let's see. Oh, it looks like you can see all the little items right here on the back of the box. So that's what everything looks like right there. This box is really pretty. I would save this after you use it, or if you put these into another item, I would cut this up and glue this box down for some crafty projects. Oh, there's a lot in here. Wow. Oh, there's still more. Oh, there's one still stuck in there too. There we go. Okay, I think I got them all out. Wow, that was a lot. So we have little squares. Again, these look probably like 2x2s. Oh, it says Christmas. Oh, pretty. The most wonderful time of the year, Christmas. That's really pretty. So we have those. Let's see. Yeah, a lot of little squares. Oh, look, a little map. That's really pretty. Then we have these pieces that are probably like 3x5s maybe. So there's a few of those. Oh, there's more squares in here. Oh, more maps. I love those. Oh, these are gorgeous. Oh, newspaper. That's really pretty. Oh, this one's actually not like a vellum. So these are actually like paper. Those are nice. And then, wow, there's some more of these vellum squares. Ooh, look at that lady. Isn't she beautiful? I love these. Oh, do you get 2 of each? Oh, wow. I'm just so mesmerized by these. There's so many beautiful pieces. Oh, look at that. That little corset right there. Oh, Paris. Oh, that's pretty and fancy. Love that. Let's see. There's still more in here. We have... What are these? So, are these like little tickets maybe? Let's see. See, again, keep the packaging. Definitely use this little board piece right here for your crafting. Oh, these are like tiny little tickets with gold foiling to them. Isn't that adorable? So we have quite a few little tiny tickets here. And oh, all of these have gold foiling to them. Very fancy. So, purchase ticket, train station. And then we just have like a little like letterhead. Ooh, what's this? Like a little train. Really pretty. Oh, look, there's a train over here. Ooh, some little circles with gold foiling. And then here is our train. That's really cute. Oh, I love these. They're so tiny. So this one's probably like 1/2 inch by 1.5 inches. And this one's probably like 1.5 inches by like 1 inch. These are really cute. Especially this little tiny ticket right here. I love that one. That's super, super pretty. Love all the gold foiling to it. I think this might be my favorite kit yet. All the little florals. Oh my gosh, there's still tons in here. Wow. So we have some clear stickers. And then they have, it's like thin like tissue paper. Really, really pretty. And it matches the card. See, there's our little butterfly right here. And our little flower and leaf over here. Super pretty, I'm telling you, everything matches. So this is really, really thin. It tears really easy, so just be careful when you're pulling it out that it doesn't snag on right here where they seal the bag. Just be careful with this tape right here that you don't snag your tissue paper and rip it, because I have done that on accident before. And look at these. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh my gosh. So I think these are just paper. Oh, I was not expecting this to be like a little acetate sheet on top. Oh, I thought it was all one print. That's beautiful. Look at her. Oh, it reminds me of the Queen. Oh, these have shapes to them. Look, it's just not like a regular piece of paper. It's actually like has texture to it, you know? Ooh, pretty. Oh, wow. Wow, 1917. Oh, July 3rd, close to my birthday. Oh my gosh, I love these. I wish my handwriting could be beautiful like that. Oh my gosh, the penmanship that they had back in the day was just beautiful. Oh, these are like little treasures. October 19, 1870. Is that a 4 or 7? Oh my gosh, I love these. This is definitely my favorite kit that they've put together. And look, there's still more. So we have more floral ephemera pieces. Oh my gosh, look at these. If you are into vintage florals, shabby chics, you need this kit. Oh, look at the little wreath right there. Oh my gosh, I totally need to take my photo and just put my face through there. Wouldn't that be beautiful? Oh, look at this one. These are just beautiful. And I love that it doesn't have the white edge. You see how, like, these stickers have the white edging to them? I love that this is just all, like, cream background. I love it. These are beautiful, don't get me wrong, but this just kind of blends like seamlessly, and I love that. Oh my gosh. These are so pretty. Oh, look, there's little banners in here even. There's red and orange banners in here. Wow, that's really, really nice. Oh, we're down to our last little item here. We have, it looks like paper in different sizes. Again, save this back packaging board right here. You could definitely use that for your projects. And yeah, it looks like just different size papers. Really pretty. Oh, look, there's a vellum in there. I love that they mix it up. Oh, look, it even layered on there. That's really pretty. I love that they mix it up with the vellum sheets and just regular paper. Oh, there's another vellum right there. These are gorgeous. I'm so loving all of the mix in here. Beautiful. And then you have these larger sheets. Oh, there's still another size in here. Okay. So we have this size. This is what, maybe like a 4x6? Oh, and there's vellum mixed in there as well. And you just have regular paper. The whole little variety. Oh, beautiful. Love it. Then you have this one that's a little bit thinner. Look, and you can write like a little happy birthday right here or happy anniversary and just put it right here down the center since the flowers already have that centerpiece right there, and just make a little lovely card and use some of these stickers over here to add onto it. That'd be really pretty. Just layer some more on there. So we just have some sheets of paper. Oh, there's vellum in here too. Yes, there is. Look at that. And you could layer those up. That looks so pretty. Or even just on white. So you could layer it or just put it on white paper. Oh my gosh, I love this kit. This is by far my favorite kit that they've ever put together. I absolutely love it. I'll leave a link down below to their website and to their Instagram so you guys can be up to date on all the new kits that they come out with. I love this kit. I think it's just gorgeous, and I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day and enjoying my videos, and we'll see you later. Bye guys.